Hello, my name is Alec Mawandi. I'm a Regional Service Tech for Federal Signal. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your SmartSiren Platinum's control head back to factory default. So in case you have made any changes and you need to reset back to the keypad how it was from the factory, you can go ahead and do this. To start, we're going to go ahead and cycle power. We're going to hold down button number 6, wait for that long beep. Once you get that long beep, you're going to go ahead and push down button number 7. The second LED is going to light up, letting us know that it is ready to be reset back to factory configuration. Go ahead and push down button number 13. It's going to pause for a second. Now it is reset to the factory configuration.